Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something you've probably used before, incognito mode. You know, that little window that pops up and makes you feel like you're invisible online. But here's the real question. Is it actually private? Well, the truth might surprise you. Alright, so here's how incognito really works. When you open an incognito window, your browser stops saving your browsing history, cookies, and form data. That means once you close it, there's no local record on your computer of the sites you've visited. But here's the catch. Incognito does not make you anonymous on the internet. Your internet service provider can still see what sites you visit. Your employer or school, if you're on their network, can still track your activity. And the websites you visit, they can still see your IP address and collect data about you. So basically, incognito is great for keeping things off your device, but it doesn't hide your activity from everyone else. If you want true privacy, you'll need extra tools like a VPN to mask your IP address and encrypt internet traffic. So, is incognito private? Kind of, but not in the way most people think. It's a good tool for local privacy, but don't expect it to make you completely invincible online. Use it wisely, and if privacy is your goal, combine it with stronger security tools. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this helped clear things up. Stay safe out there and see you on the next one.